Last year's wildfires were devastating, and 2024 might be even worse. Canada saw its worst wildfire season ever, with millions of hectares burned. Smoke reached as far as New York City, affecting air quality and even endangering crops in the United States. Alberta declared an early start to the wildfire season due to dry conditions and water shortages. Texas is battling the largest and most destructive fire in the state's history, spreading across over 1 million acres. Nebraska declared a state of disaster as wildfires threaten residents in the state. Stay informed, stay prepared. The 2024 wildfire season is coming. Are you ready?